Ready to ditch the amateur hour and transform your Wix website into a polished, professional powerhouse that wows your visitors from the first click. First, let's talk visuals. Ditch the blurry snapshots and invest in high-quality images or professional stock photos that reflect your brand's aesthetic. Next, choose a consistent color scheme. Limit yourself to 23 core colors that complement each other and use them throughout your site for a cohesive look. Don't underestimate typography. Select fonts that are easy to read and align with your brand's personality, using different sizes and styles to create hierarchy. Ensure every page has a clear purpose, guiding visitors to the most important information and actions you want them to take. Embrace white space, avoid clutter, by giving your content room to breathe, making your website feel organized and easy to navigate. Make sure your website looks great on all devices. Use Wix's responsive design features to ensure a seamless experience for mobile, tablet, and desktop users. Take advantage of Wix's built-in tools and templates, but don't be afraid to customize them to create a unique website that stands out from the crowd. Finally, track your website's performance. Use analytics to understand what's working and what's not, and make adjustments to improve your user experience. With these simple tweaks, you'll transform your Wix website from a DIY project into a professional online presence that attracts and engages your target audience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Wix design tips. #Wix Design #Website Branding.